Okay, that looked cool.
Actually, racing.
That was a cool shot.
That sun made me want to nuts.
I don't
Why
like
did
it.
I say that
Do the
out
black
loud?
part. I don't like it. I don't like it. Go back to the black part.
It was very good and very promising during the heat
They
races.
put the ride height up so that it could ride.
Oh no, they put the 99 decals on backwards and upside
Oh, no.
down.
Oh boy, here we go.
Why would they put him on backwards? What the
I don't
heck?
know.
Oh, here we
I
go,
don't know
my
why
yes.
On upside down.
There he goes.
Oh
Here
no.
goes my Yeski. It's more faster
Oh
than...
wait, they did it so
Oh,
when the car
fast
gets
race.
upside down next week, it'll be okay.
And next
This
week,
is
Talladega.
just the
With
number.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeller.
no.
No, they're part of the show.
What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
we
What's so
have
ridiculous?
Competition,
What
Yeller.
happened?
Oh,
49.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
Jesus
no.
Look out,
Christ.
look
Don't
out, look out.
freaking hit him.
49's out of gas.
Watch out, guys. Andrew Gordon.
How are you out of
Yeah,
gas
that's
on lap
fast.
20 yet? What is the 49? What is that number?
not Jeff Gordon's
Andrew
long lost
Gordon.
brother.
Get rid of the gas so fast.
What the hell's Andrew
Yo.
Gordon?
Yo, what are you
Someone
talking about?
related
It's
to Jeff
triplets.
Gordon?
It's Robbie,
I wanna
Jeff,
see what
and
happened.
Andrew.
Yeah, show replay.
Are we talking about?
Oh, we just lost
Oh,
it.
he just spun out.
Jeff Gordon.
Well,
It caused
how
the
did
big
he not get
accident
it-
last
how did he not get it going again then?
Friday in the
Because he
practice.
sucks, he's not the true Gordon.
Just lost talent.
What the hell is put
Oh, Jeff Gordon's
Eager
walk.
in
Did y'all just hear Kurt go, yummy yummy something gooey cookies?
this?
Yeah, he
What?
did.
The brother.
That was definitely an
Build up the
interesting
brother.
comment.
This is bad, dude.
And then he said burnt frisbees, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
What the fuck kind of an analogy is
I'll
this?
take my paradise from.
Yeah, I did.
I really hope Kurt becomes part of the booth when he retires. Because, like,
He will.
It's the Curtis Bush slang.
he's so fucking funny.
This is very...
Dude, y'all remember 5 lug nuts?
Oh, look at that! Look at those
Oh
tires.
wow.
Wow, 5 lug nuts. What a throwback.
Yeah, for the throwback race, they need to use the Gen 6 cars with...
Same mayonnaise.
No!
Well, at least the tires, well, at least they wouldn't be falling off every...
No!
Is
we
there a
need the
picture
car-
of that?
COT
I don't think so, but someone said that in NASCAR chat. So mayonnaise.
Listen, we need we need the car tomorrow with the single lug nut.
We need to have his face photoshopped on the Hellman's squeeze bottle.
Talking about.
Sam, we're talking about Sam Mayonnaise.
What is that? Where is that at?
Someone said it in NASCAR chat. And we're just thinking about how we can bring it to life.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Single file or where?
That gif is so good. Just slowly slide across. Wrecked.
Right.
Wait, in NASCAR chat?
chat.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Oh my
Christian
God.
Atkins.
Be a chat and keep it in there.
On his truck.
It's a Toyota one.
Well, that is
What a perfect
Hey.
time to buffer.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Ree.
What the hell is that? Am I the only one that sees that?
See the
Wait,
lights.
where?
Oh yeah.
Look at
What
the.
the fuck?
Look at the total.
150.
Well, it's good to know that we're under red
We have
flag.
We have an
Oh
interface
yeah.
with-
the
Fox
soundtrack.
moment.
If Kofoid can get to Svar,
Foster.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Oh, Yeller.
Oh.
Trouble.
please tell me somebody's upside down.
Why would you want that?
Oh.
There's
Skyway.
Oh, look at that.
Wait.
You run the wrong block. You don't.
Big dig energy. Or dog. Damn, I thought it was dig.
What?
You
Oh,
just
that is-
What are you waiting for? This right.
First right.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, your mama's so stupid. She sold her car for gas money.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. I just saw it.
That's the way it is.
You made that
Good
up.
idea.
Please tell me you made that up.
I didn't make it up. I heard it earlier. And I just said it.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
No one. I just said it.
Watch yourself, Joe. Watch yourself, Joey.
This
No
track
more-
is loose. Oh, it's loose.
No mercy,
Watch
strike
yourself,
first,
Joey.
strike hard.
Turtle got picked up to the outside.
Oh, crossover move.
Slam the door on.
Oh, he put. Oh my God.
Oh my
Joey,
goodness,
what the
God.
hell, man?
So he's
The
gone.
moment
see
they
them
went
hitting
into
one
the corner,
another?
I knew that was gonna happen.
What a view of that, though.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh,
jeez.
my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
What?
we saw it pretty clear.
Dude, like,
Clear what happened.
I'm not
see
even
them
joking. The
hitting-
moment they went into the corner, I knew that was gonna happen.
Did you
Yeah.
see them hitting one another?
Okay, final stage, guys.
Green flag in the air.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. Let's go race them, boys.
And Kofor did not get a
Oh
good start.
man.
Here we go.
Oh,
It's time for
no.
a Wreck Fest because it's the final stage.
Yeah.
Final stage.
Oh, four wide.
Oh, boy.
Oh my God.
That's a very good. They don't have a crash.
Send it
Oh,
forward.
Oh no, forward.
Another car.
Pretty well ahead of us.
Oh!
It's
The
It's gonna
unfair,
fucking
man.
turn him.
Their bumper touching.
Not gonna work at dirt tracks.
Booty
though.
tap.
Oh,
Come on,
no,
John
Joe
Hunter.
Hart is this great for the
Now,
win.
Captain, come
Pull the
on.
Ty Gibbs card. Dump him.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
turn him already.
I give.
Just turn it, you dumb fuck.
I want to go back to
Oh
and
my
see that
goodness.
4-wide battle back there, though.
Who's driving the four car?
It's America with still green.
John Hunter, you
With
may check.
still green.
Yeah.
Jason.
Oh, where does he come from? I'm thinking,
Look
what
at
is
the ride height on the 42.
Is this
Kofor's
like
up
the
to
free
fifth now.
wide, or is this when Nemo
Oh.
decided?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was when he took the lead and did the slide job.
Oh.
Oh man.
Booty tap.
Nimichuk's like,
I don't know if that would even
He almost pulled the Harvick on the Larson.
Yeah.
Wait, what did I? Dude, I'm so stupid.
Oh boy, rewind.
That was the
Yeah,
most
it's like
confusing
you are
thing
in a
I've
way.
ever heard.
Oh!
Look at
Jeez!
The bumpers are stuck.
Larson 2.0. Oh, he's gonna turn him.
No way.
No way.
No way. Are you kidding me? No, my God. Are you kidding me?
No way.
Oh
It's gonna be
my.
Knoxville all over again.
No way.
It's gonna be Knoxville.
It's a thumbnail.
It's gonna be Knoxville all over again.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Have you ever?
Like that?
No, never.
Never seen that before.
That is the
How you
most
know?
wholesome thing I've seen all week.
That's just. Oh my.
No way.
That's
Oh,
such a
man.
NASCAR thing to happen, dude.
Bumper to bumper right now.
And it has to end.
Crazy.
Oh,
That's where you stop, and that's why I'm gonna stop.
That's what's
Be
happening.
a
How is
thumbnail.
that possible?
How do you get stuck?
Impossible. Really impossible.
Done that.
You know, I'm very thankful there's no locking bumper rule.
Hey, sport ball. I think Mike should use that
Oh,
as
is
his
this stuck?
thumbnail, like the two cars stuck
Yeah,
to
that's
each
what I'm
other.
saying. Mike's
Yeah.
thumbnail. It is Mike's thumbnail.
Oh, you need it.
Now they have to be physically separated.
That's just
No.
the Mike.
How you separate those two?
Imagine going laps down over this.
Oh my God.
That's just.
All I'm
You
gonna
got
say,
This
I
talk.
don't understand how they got stuck.
Right here.
Just put a couple drops on the bumper and you're good.
Yeah. Alright. Like that. And just pop it here. So a way to make it transparent.
Oh boy.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
I'm like,
Oh, that's
Super
separate.
NASCAR 2.0 right here.
Oh my
With the
god.
Benedetto and the 22.
Oh, the 22 blew up.
The 22 blew
Are you
up.
serious? No way.
No!
Oh no.
Oh, come on.
Oh my god.
He blew up.
He
That's
blew
tough.
up?
Dude.
He was stuck.
He
Oh
blew
my.
up?
They couldn't have shut off
No.
the engine?
Oh
Yeah,
my
he
God.
Did
There's
you
no
guys
way.
at least
Exactly.
see
What,
what I
did,
put
what,
in
did,
the chat?
what was NASCAR chat saying about that whole thing?
That is the worst way to ever DNF. The 22 blew up, yeah.
Supposedly.
Wow.
Guys,
What the
look at
fuck?
this
Worst way to
man.
DNF.
Look at
Oh
this
my
man.
God.
Sorry. Finally.
All right, let's go.
All right. Green flag.
And that sucks for the
No
22
back
though.
on here.
Alright, who's ready to die at
Only
turn one?
45 laps to go. So only take.
And
Okay.
They're
Those
good.
get nuts.
okay.
Dirt track race.
There's my dirt track racing.
Heck, they may be done by 9.
Why is my damn pile up in the middle of the dirt track?
Oh no, Parker!
Oh, oh.
Chandler got the worst
Yeah,
of it.
wait.
Oh, don't tell me they're gonna get stuck.
Oh, don't get stuck.
4 wide. 4 wide.
Don't get stuck again.
Oh no.
No. Okay. It only happens to the Chevys.
Again. We don't need another truck being stuck bumper to bumper.
If it happens tomorrow, cops.
I thought Grant hit the wall for a second.
Oh, okay, guys, listen. Oh, I was just.
Oh, we have a caution.
Jeez, what's
Oh.
All right, who's stuck together this time?
Guys,
Someone blew up.
guys, you know what I was about to say?
Oh, Richard Petty. Gonna be just.
70
Oh.
years.
It's been 84 years.
Did anybody get the news?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, he's gonna use the bumper.
Peak Logano.
You know, Logano's just gonna poke.
Beep, beep, beep.
Gonna poke everyone else.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh no!
Oh my god! I hate
Jeez!
Who turned him?
Charge me!
66.
The 66 turned him.
It was
Brother.
turned him down.
You know, Charles me sounded really weird out of context.
Shut
Stop.
Up, no.
Change me.
Let's see how this
man.
happened.
Push Mecca has got
I saw it.
I think he just lost it.
It was
Yeah.
the 98 that turned
I mean, the
him.
98
Oh no.
lightly touched him, I think.
Eck is turning.
I thought
Eck is.
How did
Yeah.
no one hit him?
18. Who was in the 18? Because I thought he was gonna get T-boned again. Oh, it's Christian. It's Smith. What's his
Yeah.
name?
Chandler
It's
Smith.
funny, I kept asking somebody to ping me when they went back green from the red flag, and no one pinged me.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I think
there you go.
yeah, he did hit him. Never mind.
Spin him out.
We only got 15
15 to
laps to go, guys. This is gonna
Oh my
be-
God, Ben!
There it
He
is.
sent it.
Lord.
Save it.
He made it stick somewhat.
He sent it, and it didn't
Save
work.
it.
Fail.
Dude, just
Oh,
get
boy.
out of here.
Why are you running the bottom? Don't run the bottom. What the fuck?
Don't be running.
I think he's doing all right on the bottom. He's just not able to gain a whole lot. Yeah, exactly.
See? Stay high.
Oh yeah.
They're going to come. Oh my god.
That's your good help.
Remember, kids.
Oh boy, here we go.
Oh boy.
Oh no, he's
Here comes the caution.
go.
Here comes the boomer up top.
Caution!
Oh!
Oh, that was a close one.
Here comes the caution with the race descent and the chaos.
Way too close racing.
Oh my God.
He sent it to the chaos realm.
Oh! Oh my God! Uh-oh. Oh no. Watch out! No!
There we go. Oh,
Fucking
no.
Derek Krause. Trash.
This is not the part of my life.
Are you kidding me?
Here is the caution with the race descent and the chaos. Here it
Dude,
is.
Ty Majeski had such a good truck too.
Just
Cautious, precautions.
What a bunch of bullshit.
I would just end the race now.
Oh my gosh.
No, no, this
Although the crew had to go.
Oops, yet another. Yep.
Guys,
I love that.
Chandler Smith said, "Tell the 75 to go fuck himself with a cactus."
Wait, why?
Is 99 just turning?
what happened?
I think he just lost it.
Here's the replay. Yeah.
I mean, wow.
Guys, wait.
This is another
Ooh.
one. Oh.
It doesn't end.
One lost talent.
It was because road slid up in front of the 51 and then that
Fucking-
caused chain reaction.
Dirt track racing.
Tell him to go
Is
fuck
there a
himself with a
cost
cactus. It's so good. I really. Oh man, I just realized since this is trucks, it's not gonna be a fucking radioactive. Imagine hearing that in a radioactive.
Oh,
I think it will get posted at some point, but
No.
look in the air.
Pile up,
Yeah.
pile up, guys. The pile up. This is the one.
I'm gonna call this.
Here it comes.
We gonna get a pile up?
Here we go.
We actually.
Pile up.
Oh my God, 5 to go.
Oh, you're gonna get the
Come on, Carson, no more. Come on,
Oh, that's progress.
Oh, Ben. Oh my God.
What a move.
Oh, Ben. Oh, I think Ben's gonna get him here.
Oh boy.
No?
Yeah.
No. Not quite. Oh boy.
No.
Oh, here we go. Oh! He almost junked his shit.
Cross over.
Come on, hover car. No!
No, it's thinking.
Oh, come on.
They do.
Oh my god.
Put him in the wall.
It's
It's
over.
taking risks too hard.
Damn.
It's over. That's it.
Good
We
game.
need a caution.
Can we get a yellow, please?
Please caution.
Can we get a caution now? Like, this is the one
I
time we
think
need a
we'll get
caution.
one.
Will we?
Probably. We'll see. We'll see.
I think
Damn.
another spin at least. It might be
Ooh. Wait a minute. Okay. Never mind. Shit.
No,
Yeah.
Damn,
That's it.
dude.
That's
That's it.
track you think he's gonna
That's
get
it.
it, and then
That's it.
please.
It's so high.
Damn, dude. That truck is so freaking fast.
Yeah, holy shit, that's fast.
Yeah.
Serious?
Dang it.
Wow.
Oh
We're
no.
gonna junk it, watch.
Way to go. Way to
Oh
go.
no. We don't have
Video
a
game
pile
it.
up.
Video game it.
Damn.
Video game it. Come on, video game it.
Second again, huh?
Way to go, Bad Roads. Way to keep going, Bad Roads.
Imagine.
Ben Rhodes.
Oh.
Damn.
Hey, Rob, win this round.
I was really hoping Hovercar would
Oh
have
my
got him
God.
back,
What's
but
it like on screen
I really wanted a
again?
surprise Wonderman.
I excuse everyone.
That's underwhelming.
Why the fuck does there
Chase
even have
Elliott top 10. Pog.
Oh shit, we did junk it.
Oh no.
oh my God.
Happened.
Well, we got our pile up.
Should have got like 2 laps earlier.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why
that's
couldn't we
fine.
do the
Oh my God.
We got somebody else mad. I'd stay on here for a bit.
Plus, I want to see how we junked it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like all the back
Oh my
of
God.
cars in one wreck.
I forgot
What
Kaz
a
Gralla
bitch.
was even in the race.
His son was pissed.
Wait, Kaz,
I saw him on the board right there.
I forgot.
Yeah,
he was-
Kaz Girl's in the O2, I believe.
Oh,
I forgot.
Why is
Oh,
that
yeah,
Sadness.
Burn it down.
I thought he was gonna go head on in the wall for a second.
funny?
Donk.
Knowing the truck bot, his entire thing would have just folded.
Probably.
It just pops off the frame. It just keeps going.
Demon G.
Like a beam and
It
yeah.
turns into a
Yeah.
modified.
Yeah, do a burnout in front of the parked cars or trucks. Shit.
Are they still there? Yep, they are. Yep.
Can we see a
Flex on
fight?
them. Flex.
Come on,
flex,
Ben.
come on, Flex. Flex. Flex on the front. Flex.
I hate them.
You're a champion. You should know how to do a burnout.
Yeah.
There you go.
In
There
the
we
corner.
go.
When he won a championship, he got drunk afterwards. I think he forgot.
Yeah, he might have.
Fair enough.
He's gotten drunk afterwards.
He was actually drunk while racing, guys.
Imagine. That's a
He
brag
was,
day moment.
at the end, that's all what to say.
Jeremy Mayford
show us the replay.
return.
Yeah, can we get the replay now?
Yeah, can we?
Man.
No, host, no.
Oh man.
He had that.
Poor Carson, man.
Carson had that race won.
I'm
He has
being
that.
fun.
That 99 was
One of
just
his
stupid
five
fast. That was the issue.